the way that she talk, switching and freaky, so I'm loving the way that she walk. You looking good, girl, you ought to be in pictures. Listen to me, I see your career going sky high. Taking you home to the crib in the shot, and every time I see your thighs, I cry when I drive by. Watching you.
Hi everybody, it is Hannah. So today I felt a little bit inspired because, to be honest with you, I'm tired of looking at this all the time. I was like, you know what, let's just do something cute. I'm doing the sleek ponytail. This ponytail, I don't know if it's real hair, but it feels very real. But I got this from Amazon. It was under $20, I think. I'll put the link down below, but she's wavy or whatever. I just hopped out of the shower. My hair is relatively wet. When my hair is poofy and curly, my hair is not gonna fit into this donut hole, you feel me? So I have to make sure my hair is like soaking wet for this. Okay, so leave-in conditioner. Let's start off with that. I'm using the Aussie Miracle Curls leave-in. I actually really like this because it leaves my hair feeling very soft. And then just to make sure that there's a little bit of extra moisture, I'm going in with the As I Am JBCO smoothie, and this is just gonna give it a little extra moisture because if you look at this is kind of like a butter. But yeah, how are you all? Because mental health is very important and I can't stress that enough. So if you're feeling down, if you're feeling depressed, unmotivated, I highly suggest that you drink some water in the morning right when you wake up. Do a little bit of yoga, work out, do whatever you gotta do, but find that safe place where you can just relax, be yourself, and continue about the day. It's all about deep breaths, exercise, moving around, and water. I promise you, water works for everything except for the skin. Well, not even the skin, the hair. Okay, so now I'm debating on, do I want my part to be in the middle for this look? What do y'all think? Will I look sexy? I'm trying to go for sexy. Am I gonna look sexy with the part in the middle or on the side? Oh baby, whoo. This goes from, hold on. This is, hi, my name's Hannah. Nice to meet y'all too. Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm a snatch your man. I'll take your man. I am using my detangling brush from my company Jumu, and it actually matches my shirt. Wow. And then I'm gonna spray my hair a little bit more just so that it can detangle better.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Key and I'm here to keep
Okay, so I like this curved parting style a little bit better than it just being straight. So with that being said, I'm gonna get the gel. Smallest I can probably go, but I don't know, we'll see. With her, I'm gonna try to make this work. I really do feel like this is human hair. It feels just like it. It feels just like my wigs in the closet. I'm gonna try to adjust this and I'll be back. The bun on the sides is poking out, so I'm gonna try to cover it with some bobby pins. I'm not taking too much, just about an inch thick wise of hair, and I'm just wrapping it around the base. Y'all see that? Because I do. This is the final look. I feel like matches perfectly with my hair color too, so go get you this ponytail from Amazon, y'all, like honestly. But yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments, and